I'm in my 28th year of litigating personal injury cases, and I still cannot believe there are people out there who do not carry collision coverage on their auto policy. Hi, I'm Mason Rashtian of the Mason Law Firm. As with every personal injury attorney, we come in when there is a bodily injury claim on a car accident case. We help clients get reimbursed for their medical bills, pain and suffering, lost income, and other special damages. We generally do not help them recover for property damage because it's usually taken care of if liability is clear. But I always tell clients that you should carry collision coverage on your own auto policy. What is collision coverage? That is a provision on your own insurance policy that pays to either fix your car or replace your car after an accident. Why is it important to have? Number one, you get into an accident with the other side who has no insurance. If there's no insurance, regardless of who's at fault, you're not going to get your car fixed unless you have collision coverage on your own policy. Then you can use your own policy to get your car fixed or replaced. Reason number two, there are multiple cars involved in the accident, which means at least 3 cars are involved, and the party at fault has a minimum policy limit of $10,000 for property damage. That $10,000 has to reach enough to fix your car and the other cars involved in the accident. So it may not be enough if one of the cars is totaled or there's major damage to one of the cars. But if you have collision coverage on your own policy, you can use it to get your car fixed or replaced if it's totaled. And then your insurance company will deal with the other insurance company and get reimbursed on a percentage based. Reason number 3 is you're involved in a hit and run accident. Again, if there's nobody for you to go after, there's no insurance, the only way to get your car fixed or replaced is if you have collision coverage on your own auto policy. These are the reasons why it's important to have collision coverage. When we get clients who come in and their car is damaged to a point where they need to have it repaired or replaced and they don't have collision coverage, it always causes a problem because it'll delay everything for the client, meaning it's going to delay them to get their cars fixed or replaced, or sometimes there's no way for them to go after and they're out of luck. My name is Mason Rashtian. We meet our clients by accident.